Okay. Okay, so main objective is we have to understand the logic of the document. Okay. So type of text is text lacunaire, text dans le désordre. So do you know
Lacunaire में
yeah, I was about to tell you that. So lacunaire. Anybody having any idea regarding this word lacunaire?
no.
Lacunaire is incomplete text.
Okay.
Incomplete. Lacunaire is incomplete. Text is text. So incomplete text. Text in the disorder. Okay. So how to fill? How to do the incomplete text? The text with blanks. How to do that? You will see what is the preposition, the most logical preposition according to the whole text. Okay. After reading the whole text, you will see which is the best preposition, which is the best option you can choose. Second, is this that it is well connected with the phrase preceding? You will see when there is a fill in the blank text, you will see is this that it is well connected with the preceding phrase? Is this that the phrase chosen well connects also with the following phrase? Okay.
Okay.
So we'll be starting with this fill in the blanks text. Okay. So you have 2 minutes. Take the reading of this text.
Okay.
Okay. So 23 exercise dash. LR 27 or she has 27 years old. She is 27 years old and 9 of Onciente. Any idea about Onciente?
Asian something.
Asian.
Mm-hmm. Onciente is years of experience. Onciente is years of experience or existence. Years of experience or existence. Onciente. She is 27 years old and 9 of years of experience in a site of a group agroalimentaire. Agroalimentaire is food industry, food processing industry. Work more for earning more. Heading is work more for earning more. So first answer, what can be the answer? This slogan makes smile Leticia. This motto is that for all. This preposition do not please a lot, do not please at all. This is what Leticia has accepted to do.
It's A.
Why it's A?
Because in
Okay.
it
Hmm. Yes.
it about a light
No,
what's
no,
the
no,
name?
no. See, uh, she here is Leticia. Okay. So
Late.
they are saying she's 27 years old and 9 of experience in a site of a group of agroalimentar. It could yet be attracted by the development of extra hours. So this slogan makes smile Leticia. This motto is that for all. It's no, this motto is not that is not for everybody, na? Because they
It's
are saying she yes,
Latia, but
yes, it's for Leticia only. So B is
Leticia. It's a
yeah,
Leticia or Latia?
Leticia.
Leticia.
So B option is cancelled. C. This
Yes.
preposition do not pleases at all. But they're saying that they are attracted by the development of supplementary hours. They are attracted. So option C is also cancelled. This is what Leticia has accepted to do. But from first two lines, you can get an idea this that it is a slogan. Okay, work more for earning more. It's a slogan, and this don't you think A is more correct, more connected with the first line? This slogan makes my Leticia. She is 27 years old. Or this is what Leticia has accepted to do. She is 27 years old. What do you think? Can I ask Kiran?
Ma'am,
Okay.
Sorry.
ma'am,
Okay, आपकी आवाज कट रही है. I can't hear you. So first,
ma'am, I think A.
yeah, because it's a slogan and it will make smile Leticia because she could be attracted. Don't you think first A is much more connected to this paragraph? The answer is A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, because yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
Okay. So for
Ma'am,
second,
Letitia's name.
yes, Leticia is a name. Now I wait. We'll check. These are the
Because
conditions of work. But I am at the channel. It can be the name of a
they
product as well. Yeah, it can be the name of somebody or it can be the name of the product. But I think it
okay,
is
ma'am.
the name of some person.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so second question. Just give me 1 minute. Till then you can read second question. Hello. Okay. The second question is okay, whenever there is a fill in the blanks paragraph, we have to read the preceding line as well as the following line. Okay. So preceding line is she could yet be attracted by the development of supplementary hours. Dash the only oobli. Do you know the meaning of oobli?
Forgot
Forgot. No, the only oversight.
oversight.
Oversight or memory lapse, forgetfulness of the politics. These are the conditions of work. Hua, me, I am at the channel in a abattoir. Abattoir, abattoir is any idea? Slaughterhouse.
Which house?
one?
Slaughterhouse.
Slaughter?
Slaughter. Slaughter.
Slaughter.
Slaughter
Slaughterhouse.
or slaughter?
Slaughther. Slaughterhouse. Where that that animals of butchery are killed. You know slaughterhouse?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So the only oobli of the politics. These are the conditions of work. Me, I'm at the channel in a slaughterhouse at the service of Decube. Decube is cutting,
Cutting.
often in the refrigerators.
There.
Okay. So what can be the answer? See, they are saying the development of supplementary hours dash. The only oobli is the politics. They're the condition of work. So because she has never any problem with the of the end of months. Finally, she wants to take an year sabbatic. Actually, her salary reaches all just 1000 euros per month. Her wish to work at part time. What can be the answer? See, they didn't talk about any problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So A is cancelled.
Wrong.
B,
Yeah.
year sabbatic. They didn't talk about anything that she has to go somewhere. That's why she wants to, have a sabbatical leave. So no,
Yeah.
B is also cancelled. Okay. Actually, her salary reaches all just 1000 euros per month.
They didn't talk about this. So
No, but
But here is a mention.
yeah, if they're earning
It's a
20 or less
20 or
40
a 40
euros,
euro per month.
yeah. So it can be okay. D, her wish to work at part time. Because Shahnaz, if you see the lines following, it is saying one is already at 39 hours of work per week, compensated by 10 days of RTT. Even if this
okay.
is for earning 20 or even 40 euros of more per month, I'm not okay. So they're talking about money. Here also they're talking about money. So this is more connected because all the other options
But
are not at all connected. Yes.
in question, it's a mention of 40 euro, and there is a 1000 euro per month.
20 and 40 euros. They are saying 20 or even 40 euros
Per month.
of more. Okay. The main salary plus 40 euros plus or 40 adding 40 euros in it or 20 euros in it.
Okay.
So second answer is C because all the other options are not at all connected. They are not at all
Yeah.
related. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is why answer is C. Okay, third option.
This question is a complicated.
Sorry, this question is
Complicated.
yes, second question is done now.
Yeah.
There is third question as well. Third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, third question. Me, I am at the channel in a slaughterhouse at the service of the coop cutting, often in the refrigerators. Dash. One is already at 39 hours of work per week, compensated by 10 days of RTT. So A option is I am completely isolated. The heat
Nice.
is unsupportable. I have a lot of
No.
liberties. Ele e fait très froid. See, he said or she said Frigo. Frigo is refrigerators.
Refrigerator.
Often in the refrigerators. So if his or her duty is in refrigerators, so
It's a D.
heat will not be there. Yes. So the answer will be D.
D.
Can I ask clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, fourth line. One is already at 39 hours of work per week, compensated by 10 days of RTT. Dash. Even if this is for earning 20 or even 40 euros of more per month, I'm not okay. I prefer to look after the free time for resting myself. Even if this is for earning 20 or 40 euros more per month, I'm not okay. However, I
Answer
have
is
no, but options are these, na? You haven't seen the options yet. Fourth.
okay.
However, I do not have a lot of time at
No.
with me. Actually, I do not work a lot. Therefore, to exchange these hours against the money, this is why seen the insufficiency of my salary. See, here is saying one is already at 39 hours per week, compensated by 10 days of RTT. Dash. Even if this is for earning 20 or even 40 euros of more per month, I'm not okay. I prefer to look after the free time for resting myself. And he's saying, however, I do not have time, a lot of time at me. No, A is not correct because he's saying or she's saying that she wants to have a free time with her, right?
Yes.
B option. In fact, I do not work a lot. No, he didn't say this. Dash. Even if this is for earning 20 or even 40 euros of more per month, I am not okay. Therefore,
And
exchanging these hours against the money, even if this is for earning 20 or even 40 euros of more per month, I'm not okay. What do you think?
all the exchanges say are contre de l'autre.
Okay. Shahnaaz?
Ma'am, say
Yeah, because that is more connected that Alor, even if Alor exchanging these hours against the money, even if this is for earning 20 or even 40 euros of more per month, I'm not okay.
But
40's answer is, fourth answer is
C,
C.
C.
Okay, last one. I prefer to look after the time for free time for resting myself, for relaxing. Dash. A lot of people do not make account of work that one does. One does. This is very hard. Myself. Dash. A lot of people do not account for the work that one does. This is very hard. So, in fact, I will not hold the hoop. Otherwise, I will pay physically. Moreover, I am never at rest. In fact, I will not take my holidays. For resting myself. So, what can be the answer?
D.
Okay, D option. In fact, I will not take my holidays. Okay, let's put here. I prefer to look after the time, free time for resting myself. In fact, I'll not take holidays. A lot of people do not make account of work that one does. This is very hard.
Uh, uh,
In fact, I'll not take holidays. A lot of people do not make account of work that one does. This is very hard. ये लग रहे और moreover, I'm never at rest. I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. Moreover, I am never at rest. A lot of people do not make account of work that one does. This is very hard.
She doing lot of work as compared to other. So,
Or B option is Sina, je paierai physiquement. I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. Otherwise, I will pay physically. A lot of people do not make account of the work that one does. This is very hard. See, here he is talking about I want some time for resting myself, okay, for relaxing myself. Dash.
yeah,
A lot of people do not make account of work that one does. This is very hard. Now,
yeah.
if you see the next line, a lot of people do not make account of the work that one does, or the one is doing. This is very hard.
It B one
Because yes, its answer is B. Why the answer is B? Because a lot
because
of people, yeah,
yeah. Uh,
yes, Kiran.
no, I'm just saying this one. She doing lot of work as compared to other.
Hmm. Yes, a lot
So
of people
that's
do
why
not.
it's a physically something.
Yes, yes. He's saying that I need some rest as well. So otherwise, I will pay physically.
It's a
I
B.
prefer to look after the free time for resting myself. Otherwise, I'll pay physically. A lot of people do not make account of the work that one does. This is very hard. See, initially you'll think that answers are not making any sense. Now put
Yeah.
the correct options. Okay, put the correct options in the blanks. Then you will understand its actual sense. Now you have 1 minute. Go through this. Put the correct option in the blanks. Like first was, what was the first answer?
Chase
Just look
Logan
at, yes.
Fairsury Leticia.
You have 2 minutes. Just go through all the answers. See.
Ma'am, it's going up from the head.
Okay. Okay, Shahnaz. Then what's the problem?
Like, ma'am, there is.
Yes.
I'm not getting the connections between the things. Like,
Okay. So first option. First question. Was it clear to you?
yes, ma'am, first is clear.
Okay. Second.
Yeah, ma'am, from the money we can guess, like, we can
Yeah,
get the
because they were
idea.
talking about money. So okay. Third.
Not too much, ma'am.
Okay. So third. We'll come to third directly. Okay. See the line that is preceding the third sentence. Moi,
Mm.
je suis à la chaîne. Me, I'm at the chaîne in a slaughterhouse at the service of découpe, often in the frigo. Frigo means refrigerators.
Yeah.
So she's saying that my job is in a slaughterhouse at the service of découpe, which is often in the refrigerators. Okay, cold containments. Dash. Now she is saying her job is in a cold environment. So I'm completely isolated. She didn't talk about this, that I'm completely isolated, right? She didn't talk about isolation. The heat is unsupportable. She's
No.
working in a refrigerator, so B can never be the answer. I have a
Yes,
lot
ma'am.
of liberties. She didn't
Mm.
talk about this. Il y fait très froid.
Yes, ma'am.
This can
So,
be the
because of
answer. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
According to the only this line, so on the frigo, that's why it's il fait très froid.
Yes. And fourth. Shahnaz, is it clear? Fourth sentence.
Yes, ma'am. The fourth one is clear, and the fifth one, no.
Okay. So, in the fourth one, answer was therefore exchanging these hours against the money,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Even if this is for earning 20 to 40 euros per month of more per month, I'm not okay. She's saying I don't care if 20 or 40 euros I earn 20 or 40 euros more per month, because I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. Okay, she's saying I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. Dash, a lot of people do not make a count of work that one does. This is very hard. Okay, so whenever you have problem in choosing the correct option, na Shanaz,
Yes, ma'am.
try to put all the options.
Okay.
Then see whether it's making sense. Like, we'll start with the first one. Okay, I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. In fact, I will not hold the cup. I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. In fact, I'll not hold the cup. A lot of people do not make a count of the work that one does. This is very hard. It's not, from where cup came in between. It's not making any sense. Next, otherwise I'll pay physically. She said that I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. Otherwise, I will pay physically.
This would be the
Yeah,
close to that.
because yes, because she's saying that I want some time for rest. Otherwise, I'll just be paid physically. Means from my mind, I will not be in the work, but I'll just be paid physically.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is a lot of people do not make account of the work that one does. This is very hard. Moreover, I am never at rest. Okay, let's put this line. I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. Moreover, I am not at rest. No. See, why this answer will not come? Because after relaxing myself, there is no full stop.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Because fifth sentence is starting with moreover. So it will not make sense na, if you are writing, suppose if you are writing a complete paragraph, you will write I prefer to look after the free time for relaxing myself. Without any full stop, you are starting moreover. It's not
No,
making any sense. So that is why this is not an answer. Okay, you have to look after the punctuations also.
yes, ma'am.
Otherwise can come in between, right? Otherwise I will pay physically. Next is in fact I will not take my holidays. I prefer to look after the free time for resting myself. In fact, I'll not take my holidays. It's not making any sense because there is no full stop.
Yeah. She's looking for the free time, but she's not taking holidays, so
Yeah. So
be
yes. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
We'll start with the next exercise. It might you might get more clarity over there. This is also fill in the blanks. Okay, take the reading of 2-3 minutes. Lavalanche's washing machine. Lavalanche's washing machine. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll discuss together. Okay, Lovelange. Lovelange is washing machine.
Wait.
So they're saying today the washing machine is installed in all the families and person oze is to dare, okay, and nobody would dare to conteste sans utilité. Conteste is to protest its utility. And C is in this way, is it the washing machine, sèche-linge? You know the meaning of sèche-linge?
Dryer.
Yes, very good. Cloth dryer. In this way, is it the machine à laver cloth dryer? Gross consumatrices, big consumers of electricity, and very little performers, as it is often necessary to renouveler. Renouveler is,
Renew.
yes, to renew or to repeat the cycle of drying. Okay. First of all, let's just read the whole paragraph. Okay.
Okay.
Dash the lessive. Lessive.
Um,
Yeah, you must be knowing lessive. Yes,
Detergent.
yes, yes. Detergent or washing powder. The modern washing powders and the new techniques of lavage. Lavage is,
Machine.
Washing.
Washing machine.
yes, the new
Washing.
techniques of washing or the new techniques of cleaning. Sufficient to you to procure a lunch perfectly clean, and you will save. Epargne. ER verb hai. It's ER verb to save.
Save.
Save. SAVE, save. It's used for money, for saving money. And you will save 15% of energy. Dash. Ponce par exemple. Ponce means think.
Thing.
Think, for example, to fill always completely your machines. Dash. Think, for example, to fill always completely your machines. Otherwise, use the touche demi-charge. Otherwise, use the button. Touche is button. Demi-charge.
Half. Demi half.
Yes, demi-charge.
Yeah.
Anybody having any idea? Demi-charge. The button demi-charge is,
Pressed or something.
yes. Use the button demi-charge dash. It exists also the small ball or caoutchouc.
Kosho.
Ball means, first of all, we'll do ball. Ball means ball or bullet. It exists also the small caoutchouc. Caoutchouc is rubber. Rubber. It exists also the small, bullet, small ball, small bullets made up of rubber. which reproduce the effect of the ancien battoir, which reproduce the effect of ancient threshing machine, or battoir à linge. See here it's written battoir à linge, so it's a washing machine. So for washing machine we have done three words: lave linge, machine à laver, battoir à
Batu
linge.
now.
Okay, that our grandmothers were using. Privilege that are not happy of phosphates. Phosphates, you must be knowing phosphates.
Will.
Which asphyxion. It's an ER verb. Please note it down. It's to suffocate. Which suffocates. Cours d'eau means waterway. To the proliferation of algae. Proliferation is growth. Growth of algae. Okay, so what it is about?
About a washing machine.
Yes, how they are working, right?
Yeah.
How they help to save us energy and what. It's all about washing machine and how they are working, how they used to
Yeah.
be, and how they are now. Right?
Yeah.
Shanaz, clear? Shanaz, are you there? Okay.
No.
So first option, I guess she's on hold. Okay. So first option. Today, the washing machine is installed in all the families and nobody would dare to protest its utility. Dash. In this way, in is it the washing machine, drying washing machine, big consumers of electricity, and very little performers, as it is often necessary to repeat the cycle of drying. So, nevertheless, certain professionals mettre en garde. So, mettre en garde is mettre en garde is to warn.
One.
Nevertheless, or however, certain professionals warn us.
No.
Néanmoins is, however, certain professionals warn us. B option, moreover, the latest innovations prove it. The latest innovations prove it.
Proof.
To the ball. To the ball is firstly no, none of the new inventions in the market are criticized. D option, however, some innovations leave perplex. Perplex. Perplex is puzzled.
Give
Puzzled.
some innovation puzzle.
Leave puzzled. Leave us to be puzzled. Perplexes, puzzled. Now, what can be the answer, Kiran? You have to see the first line, the line preceding this blank, and the line following this blank. Today, the washing machine is installed in all the families, and nobody would dare to protest its utility. Dash. In this way, is it the machine? Is it the drying washing machine? Big consumers of electricity and very little performers, as it is often necessary to renew the cycle of drying.
Mm,
The first is, however, certain professionals warn us.
no.
No. Next, moreover, the latest innovations prove it. What they are proving? No.
It's just installing.
Yeah. Next, to the
Mm,
ball. To the ball is firstly, no, none of the new inventions on the market is criticized.
no.
However, some innovations.
Yeah,
leave.
it's a D because everything is first we have to do a machine level satchel, then
Hmm.
uh,
Yes.
do after do it's a mm, complicated process, so that's why
Yes.
maybe it's a puzzle.
Yes. It is a complicated process, and as every after every new innovation is getting higher and higher, high tech and high tech. So it
Yeah,
is.
that's
It
why
makes
it's a
us
puzzle.
puzzled.
Yeah.
So first answer is D. Shinaz, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm sorry. I just had the important call. That's why I left for a few minutes.
Okay, no problem. So first answer is D. Perplex. Perplex is puzzled. So by reading the line preceding and the line following, the answer is D. Now for second blank. First of all, we'll read the options. En revanche. En revanche means on the other hand. En revanche means on the other hand. On the other hand, the function prélavage. Do you know the meaning of prélavage? Lavage. Lavage. Is it clear? Lavage. Lavage is related to washing, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
pre-lavage is pre-washing.
Okay.
Okay. So uh, on the other hand, the function pre-washing is rather useful. My voice is repeating. Okay. On the other hand, the function pre-washing is rather useful. B option. This is why most of the functions are necessary. That's why most of the functions are necessary. Next is the mem. The mem is also the function pre-washing is nearly always superfluous. Superfluous. Superfluous is unnecessary. Yet this function savoir generally economical. Savoir prove to be. This function proves to be generally economical. Okay, let's come to the second blank. Okay, we have to firstly read the preceding line and the following line. Okay, in this way, is it the washing machine? Is it the drying washing machine, big consumers of electricity and very little performance, as it is often necessary to is to renovate the cycle of drying. Dash the lessive. What was lessive? Detergent powder. The modern detergent and the new techniques of washing sufficient to you to procure a range perfectly clean, and you will save 15% of energy. As it is often necessary to renew the cycle of drying. Dash the modern detergent and the new techniques of drying sufficient to you. It is sufficient. So, en revanche, the function prelavage is rather useful. Yes or no? Because if you see the following phrase, they are saying it is sufficient. The process that washing machine is doing, it is sufficient. So, prelavage is not important. So, second is cancelled. Second A option is cancelled.
Yeah. Cupcake.
Next, this is why most of the functions are necessary. Okay, we'll see. Little performing as it is often necessary to repeat the cycle of drying. This is why most of the functions are necessary. The lessive modern. Yes, this can be the answer. Okay. Next, the mem. What was the mem?
The same.
Likewise.
Also, or
The
likewise,
same.
the function pre-washing is nearly always unnecessary. Yes, it can also be an answer, right? Because they're saying pre-washing can also be unnecessary. Why? And read the following paragraph. The modern detergents and the new techniques of drying are sufficient to you to procure a perfectly clean lens, and you will save 15% of energy. And then they are saying, yet this function proves to be generally economical. This could be the answer, but there is no need of yet now. Why they have put yet? It's not making any sense. If we choose this D option, it's not making any sense, right? So D option is not. B or C. What you will choose?
B.
B. Most of the functions are necessary.
This one.
Okay. What about others? Means Kiran.
There is a mention nouvelle technique de lavage sufficient.
Hmm.
Um, according to B or C?
Yes. Because A and D is cancelled, na?
Yeah.
What?
I don't think so. It's a B because there is a mention everything is required, but uh, I think C.
Okay. Answer is C. Why? Because they said in this way, is it the washing machine? They're very little performing as it is often necessary to repeat the cycle of drying. Dash the lessee. They are saying it's sufficient. That the process that washing machine is doing is sufficient. Okay. The modern detergents and the new techniques of washing is sufficient for you to procure a properly clean clothes. So it is
Yes.
sufficient.
Why we need to pre-wash?
Yes, yes. That is why answer is C. Shanaz, did you understand somewhat?
Yes, ma'am.
You might have understood a little, right?
Yes, ma'am, a little bit.
Okay, try to, read this again at home. You'll be able to, you'll be able to develop techniques for finding the correct answer. Okay. I know it's this section is very technical, very, very technical. Okay. For reducing your budget range, pay attention to the machine that you buy. Next is the small tricks can also reduce your budget line. What shows us that the solutions exist for economizing. It is necessary to know, however, that it is difficult to make more of economies. What can be the answer? For example, see the following line. See the following line. Think, for example, to fill always completely your machines. Otherwise, use the button demi-charge. They are saying they are saying either you completely fill your machine or use the button demi-charge. Why he or she is saying like this? In order to make economies, in order to save the energy, either fill your machine, okay, to the fullest, or keep it to demi charge, half charge. So he's trying to tell you how to, save the energy, right? How to economize.
Is it B?
The small tricks, uh, yes, the small tricks can also reduce your budget line.
Your
Yes,
budget line. So we have a thing.
yes. And in the next line, they are talking about small tricks.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now fourth dash C. After this line, see the preceding line. Think, for example, to fill always complete your machines. Otherwise, use the button demi-charge. It's comma, not full stop. Okay. So fourth line, the phrase in fourth sentence should be a continuation of this line. Dash. Next, it exists also the small ball of caoutchouc. Caoutchouc is rubber. There exists also the small balls made up of rubber which reproduce the effect of the ancient batouar, a lunch, which reproduce the effect of ancient washing machines that our grandmothers used to use. Okay. Now fourth sentence, we have four options. You will economize in this way 50% of water. But wait for before launching the machine. And you will use a little more of water in order to better wash the cloth. To better wash the
B.
cloth. No.
B. May attend avant de lancer la machine. Il
Mm,
may attend
no. No, 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 no.
no, il existe also the petit ball.
Mm, no. Because there exists also think for example to fill always completely your machines. Otherwise use the button demi
The
charge and you will use a little more of water. But wait for before launching the machine.
okay, yeah, then let's see. Yeah.
Yeah.
This
Answer
is
is
yeah, and chemicals and you utilize little water. Yeah.
a little more of water. So if you put on demi charge or completely fill your machine, you will use a little more of water. So answer is C.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, it exists also the small balls made up of rubber which reproduce the effect of ancient washing machine that our grandmothers used to use. Dash privilege those not happy of phosphates which asphyxiate the khurdo through the proliferation of algae. Okay, though, but remain vigilant, brave for the machine was the washing machine. In fact, that are recycled as for detergents. It will not be the answer. D will not be an answer, right? Or D is an answer. Okay, wait. Hmm. Privilege that are not containing phosphates. Ah, okay, okay. So phosphates are in detergent only. Phosphates which help to clean the clothes. Normally, detergents contain phosphates. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
So they are saying dash privilege that not containing any phosphates, which asphyxi asphyxi is asphyxia is er verb is to block or to suffocate. So they are saying dash privilege that not containing phosphates which block the waterway through the proliferation of algae. So obviously they are talking about D, detergents, because phosphates will be in the detergents only, na? In washing machine, where can we find phosphates? The phosphates are not in water.
Yeah, it's in detergent.
Yeah. Clear?